channel, you guys. I'm currently giving away a MacBook Pro. If you want to be entered to win that giveaway, the rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs. And go follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both at Nicole Jacklyn. My like 800,000 subscriber giveaways. If you want to see more giveaways in the future, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It's part of the giveaway rules anyway. Just subscribe while you're at it. Yeah. Well, today I am showing you guys how to make this brand new DIY slime that I have seen going around on Instagram lately. It's this like giant foam slime thing. Keep watching the video. I'm gonna show you the whole process. I even show you guys how to make this with an industrial mixer. So if you wanna watch some of that, keep watching this video. If I should do more DIY slime videos, comment down below what kind of slime I should do next, because I love doing slime videos. They are so much fun to do for me. Let's hop right into the video. And you guys, huge credit to Momo Slimes on Instagram for creating the Java chip foam slime. So for this DIY, you're gonna need these, and I will link these down below for you guys. I got them from Amazon. They are called multi-purpose edges and corner guards. They are meant for children to guard like TV sets or corners, obviously. And yeah, I got them in a tan color, pink, green, black, and brown. But today I'm going to be making a strawberry banana giant foam DIY slime. So I'm going to cut up this pink foam. I don't know what to call this DIY because it's it could be a lot of things. So I'm going to take this pink foam and this tan foam and cut them up and do a little time lapse for you guys. So out of the bag here, this is like inside of one of these bags, there is this pink. This looks so awesome. I want to just like squeeze it. It is so satisfying. And we have this one, this little cow. Is that a cow? It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I will link these down below for you guys, but I'm so excited to show you guys this DIY. Welcome to the slime room. If I should do an updated slime room tour, comment down below. Also, 800K balloons. So here is my gigantic mixer. Okay, so here we have my giant mixer, and I want to show you guys how I'm going to be making this giant batch of slime. You guys seemed to love when I showed you guys how I use this mixer on my vlog channel, so I thought I would show you guys this DIY portion of making the base in my giant mixer, because it's so satisfying to watch. Even though it has to have a cage to kind of look through, it's still very satisfying to watch, you guys. For this DIY, you will need if you want to make the size amount that I'm making, you will need 2 gallons of Elmer's school glue. If you want a very thick slime, you can use a glue all, or just add in some cornstarch or some lotion and such like that. Okay, next you're going to need this strawberry scent. Mine is from justscent.com. I get almost all of my scents from there. Then I have this scent. It is from P&J Trading. It's a banana scent, and I'm going to be doing a strawberry banana combination in the scent today, so I'm probably end up adding this entire unit of the scent, a fragrance oil, and I'll probably add a good amount of the strawberry as well. I just love the scent of strawberry and banana. It's delicious. Now it is time to add in my gallons of glue. This is going to be so satisfying. Okay. Literally so heavy. Okay, we've got 1 gallon of glue in the mixing pot. The mixing pot, LOL, it's not a mixing pot, it's a giant mixer. It's a 30-quart mixer, it's not playing around. And next we're gonna add in our strawberry scent. Probably a good amount, a little bit more. Be very strong. Then I'm gonna add in this entire little unit of my banana scent for a nice strawberry banana. It's gonna smell so good, you guys. So once I've added in my scents, I'm going to close this page up. Keeps it all together. I'm gonna turn on my mixer and I'm so excited right now. Guys, I'm currently making the strawberry banana base for the slime and it smells so good in here. Like literally my slime room has never smelled better. Look at how insane this looks. If I should do an updated slime room tour, comment down below. I have quite the thing going on in here. So those balloons are literally me. That's how I feel. Me, just kind of like in the corner lost, hanging out, kind of like upside down. I'm gonna start slowly adding in the activator now. I already have some pre-made in this bottle. Usually I put about a spoonful or two in the bottom, then I mix it up with some hot water and I squirt it into here and I start mixing it together. There's literally 2 gallons of glue in here, so don't be too shy with the borax. It'll be okay, promise. Ah yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh. Now it's the ultimate test. After I have made my giant base for my strawberry banana Java chip floam slime, floam with foam, not floam, whoops. The base is absolutely amazing. I will have the full video on my slime Instagram, Slime by Jacklyn. If you want to watch this full base with no voiceover or anything, it's on my Instagram. So once I have this base done, I start to cut up the garter rail pieces. By the way, I will have those linked down below. I didn't mention, but there are so many different sizes of these. So if you want to have like a mega giant Java chip foam slime, wow, lots of words to say there. And there's those options for you. These ones I have a larger pink size, which is a strawberry, which is what's like replicating, and then I have the banana, which is the tan. So I found at first I was just like cutting up the middle, but you can literally tear this as long as you are guiding it carefully. You can guide it so it's like a straight shot and there is a easy cut. This is totally your like customizable DIY. If you want to have super giant of these foam chunks, that's totally up to you. I like the ones that are like just big enough, not too big. You can also have different shapes. There's a ton of different options out there. It's totally what you want to do, but I cannot get over how good this slime felt. Like, it was so soft. It was insane. I just can't get over it. I have so many of these extra foam pieces left, so if I should do more of these videos or make more slimes from my slime shop, then comment down below. I will have this slime in my slime shop restock this Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, comment down below if you're buying from my shop on Sunday. If I should do more DIY videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. If you want to win a MacBook Pro, like you do, subscribe down below. And my vlog channel is also down below. And go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You have 3 weeks to enter. Enter right now before you forget. You never know. And after you have entered, comment down below your Instagram and Twitter username. That way I can contact you if you do win, because I'm going to be doing a random selector in the comments down below. So if you want to win a MacBook Pro, which like you do, subscribe down below and follow the rules. And yeah guys, I'll see you really soon with a video.